Hey guys, today we're looking at a man who decided to survive one day inside a snowstorm. As the storm grows stronger, the world outside disappears. Snow keeps falling, and darkness slowly takes over the cave. He starts by searching for the right place to dig, a spot to protect him. Once he finds it, he uses a stick to measure how deep he needs to go. Then the real work begins, cutting through thick snow, slowly shaping a shelter that can hold. After hours of digging, he creates a small space to sleep, one that can trap heat and block the wind. He brings all his gear inside the cave, knowing once the storm hits, there's no going back out easily. Exhausted from the work, he finally sits down to eat. Energy now means survival later. As the storm rages outside, he crawls into the shelter and tries to get some sleep. What happens next could decide everything. Subscribe to the channel to see how he survives the night.